Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the HOMETOGO app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, the HOMETOGO is a vacation rental search app that lets user compare millions of listings from direct provider in one place. It features smart filters for amenities like pools, pet-friendly stays, or waterfront access. Its map-based search makes it easier to find the right location. The app supports multiple currencies and languages, and its simple interface allows quick browsing, saving favorites, and redirecting to partner sites for booking. However, some user report issues such as the hidden fee showing up at checkout, slow customer support, and the listings that don't always match their description. So there are also complaints about the cancelled bookings and delays with refund. So in conclusion, the app worth it if you want access to a wide range of rental and strong search tools, but less ideal if you need a reliable customer service or guaranteed price transparency. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.